Cookies that are nostalgic, bright, and fun with rainbow-coated chocolate candies. Today, let me show you how I made these soft, chewy cookies just in time for this holiday season.
Hi Kamis, it's me, Cook With Me Classic M&M'S Cookies without brown sugar.
The centers are so buttery and chewy that they don't crunch and break when you start to bend them. If you need a festive treat for this holiday season or are craving for that sweet crunch, you have to try this classic M&M'S Cookies recipe. This cookie melts in your mouth while the colorful chocolates add an extra crunch.
Serve this hot or cold to all your loved ones, whether they are kids or adults that are young at heart.
For reference, this is for a batch of 16 cookies, so prepare your ingredients by proportion. We will be mixing the wet ingredients together first. Take a pause to take a screenshot of the ingredients to be used. Use a hand or stand mixer to cream the softened unsalted butter. In a bowl, add in the butter. In this recipe, we will not be using any brown butter. It is also preferable to use a weighing scale for the sugar as we don't want it to be too bland or too sweet. Now we place in the white sugar. In this recipe, we will not be using any brown sugar. Mix it up until it reaches the appearance of being smooth. Scrape the sides of the bowl, then add in the eggs. Let us first separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. So, we'll be needing an egg yolk and an egg now. Mix it up. Egg yolks are added to cut the water and throw in fat since it will hinder both gluten development and aeration. Basically, it's an emulsifier, producing cookies that are dense, tender, and rich. After that, mix in the almond extract for more flavor and aroma to the cookies. Check in the consistency of the mixture. It should be creamy. Set aside the sugar mixture formed from this batch. Now, we will be combining the dry ingredients. Take a pause to take a screenshot of the ingredients. In a bowl, add in the all-purpose flour. This type of flour offers enough structure to make the cookie substantial while still being tender. By the way, I'm using this KitchenAid weighing scale. Link to this product is in this video's description below. To have a more thick and chewy cookie, let's add in the cornstarch, then the baking soda, baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. Mix it up. Now, gradually mix in the dry ingredients to the sugar mixture from earlier, then mix until combined. But do not overmix as we will still be placing some toppings. Let us remove the paddle attachment and scrape off the excess mixture. Now, I have with me lots of M&M'S chocolates from the peanut chocolate, milk chocolate, and tube topper characters. Pour it into a bowl. These are definitely one of my favorite chocolates, especially when I get those reds and greens for the holidays. Well, if you like peanut chocolates, you can add this too on the top of the cookie. Stir in a lot of this M&M's. Mix them all together until it reaches this consistency. Not sticky, it is light and fluffy, right? Transfer to a container that could be used for chilling and cover with plastic wrap. Chill the dough for at least 45 minutes to let it rise before using. You can chill this until 3 days before use. Don't skip this crucial step for the best M&M'S cookies. Chilled dough prevents the cookies from spreading and losing their shape when baking on the cookie sheet, which makes a thicker cookie with a chewier consistency. If you plan to chill it for more than 45 minutes, make sure to leave the dough outside the refrigerator for 5 to 15 minutes first before rolling the dough. Or if baking immediately, add a few additional minutes to the baking time. When you're ready to bake, preheat the oven. Now scoop the dough using an ice cream scooper or better with a cookie scoop and roll it into a ball. On a baking pan, place the parchment paper. Place the rolled dough on a prepared baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Top with more M&M's. Bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until light golden brown around the edges. Ensure that it is at least 2 inches apart or else it would end up looking like this. You'll notice that the middle is still soft, but that is okay. Let it stand for 1 minute on the hot baking pan. Then transfer to the cooling rack to cool immediately. Every oven is also different, so you will need to test the exact baking duration. If you want to have perfect circle looking cookies, round it with a bowl, lid of a round mug, or even better with a dough cutter. Now, gently press the M&M's onto the top of the hot cookies right after they come out of the oven to add a more visible pop of color. And this is now our finished product. Let's try it out!
This reminds me of my childhood because of the scattered M&Ms.
Some people also prefer to have this for breakfast or as a snack, so now let's dip it into the milk.
Let's try it out. So soft. Just right amount of softness. It's good. You should try it with milk. It has M&Ms, then I like it when it's being blended with the almonds. Then the milk, it's like almond milk.
By the way, these are M&M'S limited mugs from their gift sets. These mugs come in red, yellow, and green. So cute, right?
I definitely give this as a gift to my family, friends, and loved ones, especially there are many different holidays all year round. Happy holidays!
Before we end this, what do you think about this M&M'S cookies recipe? Comment down below. More cookie content soon, so stay tuned.
If you'd like to try other types of desserts, I've also posted quick and easy recipe on
Sanrio Lava Mooncakes, Chocolate Taro Mooncakes, Taro Corn Snow Skin Mooncakes, and also Custard Filled Matcha Mochi. I will link the videos below this video's description so you can give these desserts a try. Hope to see you again, kamis, in my next videos on my recipes, restaurant and staycation ratings, travel vlogs, lifestyle, music, and art.